Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting identifiers and making firm choices. Get an EIN or use your SSN, confirm your business start date, and pick an entity type so records match. Once done, determine the NAICS code and estimate monthly taxable sales. This shapes reporting frequency and deposit expectations. Make sure you have a physical CA address and contact info before logging onto the Department of Tax and Fee Administration portal, so you can complete the online seller permit application without interruptions. Next, access My CDTFA and create an account using the legal business name and mailing address you gathered. This ensures correspondence reaches you. Then carefully enter owner SSN or EIN, business description, and start date, and provide realistic expected gross sales since it affects your filing schedule. If the portal requests documentation, upload formation papers, DBA, or ID files. Make sure to review each screen before submitting. Errors slow approval. Then submit. Finally, after submission, you'll receive a confirmation. When the seller permit issues, record the number and keep a copy, displaying it where legally required. Make sure you know your return filing frequency and remit sales tax on time, keeping invoices, resale certificates, and records for at least 3 years. If processing stalls or you get a hold, contact CDTFA promptly, check for requested documents or identity verification, and provide any missing files to avoid delays and potential assessments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.